Wanna know his secret?
What's up guys, welcome back to the Cody Project. I wasn't gonna video today, but my wife had her battery go out in her car. So she called me up and says, hey, there's no battery under the hood, what do I do? Well, check it out. Yeah, if you have a new car like this, there is no battery underneath the hood anymore. I'm sure a lot of you know that. But guess what? It wasn't in the trunk, it wasn't in the back seat, it wasn't underneath the front seats. So where the hell's the battery at? Well, guess what guys? It is under the driver's side tire. Yeah, you gotta move this flap out of the way. Guess what? There's the freaking battery. Yeah, crazy. But we did get to jump it at least. They gave you a positive and a ground so you can jump it. But you can't get to the battery because it is underneath there. See it? Probably not, but it's way the hell down there. But yeah, you basically gotta take the tire off, remove all this shielding, and then there's the battery. Yep, pretty crazy. But we're also gonna check out what kind of battery it is because it looks way smaller than normal. But I'll be right back. Alright, see, battery's out. Sucked. So basically the easiest way I figured out how to get it out was you leave the clamps on and then you have to unplug the wires from here, and then there's a plug right here that you have to disconnect. Well, you see, here's the plug. And of course, you gotta undo this bracket right here. There's a bracket on top of it. Once you undo the bracket, you can get it out. Honestly, it was kind of a pain in the ass. And the battery is some weird one. It's definitely a little, it's like a damn go-kart battery or something. The part number, here's the part number right there. But let's go buy a battery and then reinstall, guys. Alright guys, got the battery. This little bad boy was $150. But anyway, when you're going back with it, make sure you find the positive one. It has a little positive sign on it. And go ahead and hook it on the positive side. I'll go ahead and tighten them up while it's off. Make it a lot easier. Alright, let's go back with it. Go ahead and clamp this back together. You can see it. Clamps, and then you push it to lock. Make sure that's all snug. Then we're gonna go ahead and hook it all back together. Hard. Had to get a ratchet and go all the way down. To go all the way down and drop down right on top of it. It's the only way to get that -1. So get your long ratchet. See, long ratchet extension. It's the only hard one to get. 10mm. All right, cool. All right, I got everything back in installed. And now, let's see if the car will turn on. Always good to check before you try to put all the tire and shit back on. Nothing, huh? Oh, you gotta press the damn pedal. That'll help. Oh yeah. Alright, we're good to go. Let's put the tire and stuff back on. Alright guys, so that's how you change a battery in a Dodge Journey. I think it's from 2012 to 2019. You'll have that kind of battery style. And all you need is a 3/4 to take the tire off with a big ratchet or impact. You need a screwdriver to take the tabs off. You need a 10mm and a 13mm to take the battery wires off. And a little bit of time and patience, but that's pretty much it guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like always, like, subscribe, share, do what you do. See you next time. Peace.